That's funny.
Is there more?
More? Thrilled.
It's some more.
Here's some more.
That's a good idea. Let's sleep until noon. We're all gonna sleep until noon.
If you get off, if you get off early tomorrow, well, will you come in and sleep in Nan's bed with Nan? Will you come up tomorrow
That's a good idea.
and sleep with Nan?
Nice and quiet.
Instead of us?
Nice and quiet.
And we pretend we've gone out, and your mummy and daddy won't know where we are. That sounds good, don't you think?
We'll have to think about that. He's thinking about it. He's thinking that he's a boy. He can't do it unless he's sick.
I want a mommy, please.
Mommy's here.
Me out, mommy.
Out? Okay.
Mommy,
Baby.
me out, mommy.
Can you sit quietly? Can you sit quietly?
Me out, mommy.
Well, Mommy's still eating. Can you go and play on your own? Oh, we need to wash your hands.
Do we have some hands there? I think we got a face.
Me out.
Well, let's get cleaned up first, Damien. Then we'll go up.
Go out.
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs. But first we need to wipe the hands. And the mouse.
Good boy.
Me out, mommy.
Oh, well, Mummy is almost done, okay?
Nancy.
Nan's nearly finished.
Oh, excuse, sorry.
Me out.
You need help.
Okay, Nana's gonna go.
Nana's
Nana's gonna go.
Nana's having no wine, but she will come as soon as she's had it. It's a cheeky little wine, yes.
Cheeky.
It's cheeky. You're a very cheeky little wine.
It's your mommy.
Well, Mummy's almost done. Give Mummy 2 minutes, okay? Can you play on your own for 2 more minutes, please?
It's me, Nana. Come, Nana. Come, Daddy. Come.
Oh, Daddy's still eating. Oh, drinking.
Come, Nana.
Yeah, Daddy, you can have Mummy, Nana. And Nana go upstairs with the baby. Not with the big boy. He's not a baby anymore.
Okay, Nana's gonna go.
Come on.
Nana's going upstairs.
Hold my hand.
Yay! Upstairs.
Give me your hand and we'll go upstairs.
Upstairs.
That's it.
Yes.
I was doing that to get his attention, so he stopped.
Nana.
I'm gonna call you Polly the